for the next 2 days. Away from that, former Mama Lucy Hospital social worker Fred Leparan, who was accused of child trafficking at the facility 2 years ago after an expose by the BBC, has been convicted of the crime. Milimani Senior Principal Magistrate Esther Kimilu found that the elements of conspiracy were also proven against Leparan. The second accused, Selina Adundo, was however acquitted on the 2 counts but was found guilty of negligence. Rose Wangwe has more.
Felix Leparan, Makala and Selina Adundo Award had been charged with stealing 3 infants from Mama Lucy Hospital on diverse dates between March and November 2020. The 3 infants were aged 8 days, 2 weeks and 2 months respectively. Nairobi Senior Principal Magistrate Esther Kimilu ruled that the prosecution had established a case against the suspects.
The 2 accused persons, knowing that they had a duty of care of these 3 children, they neglected their duty, exposed these children to abuse jointly, and they failed to protect them. And therefore, Selina and Makala Fred are guilty of the offense of child neglect as charged.
While convicting Makala, Kimilu ruled that the prosecution adduced overwhelming evidence that he held 3 meetings for the purpose of the sale of a child that was abandoned at the facility.
Accused person disposed of 1 child for 300,000 and 2 children for free. Accused person used fraud means, abused his position and the victim vulnerability, and received payment and transferred 3 children.
However, the magistrate acquitted Selina on the 2 counts as she was not captured in any of the video footage adduced in court by the prosecution.
The third accused person is only convicted of 3 offenses of child neglect.
The magistrate said there was evidence that the Office of the Medical Social Worker at Mama Lucy Hospital did not inform Embakasi Children's Home about the stolen babies. She noted that a witness from the home denied having been informed about the 3 abandoned children.
The office did not do their duty as they ought to have done. Selina ought to know that these children are now admitted in hospital. The children officer has already got a placement, and these children have now been discharged, and these children are now out of the hands of the hospital.
The arrest of the 2 workers on May 18, 2020 followed an expose dubbed The Baby Stealers that aired on BBC Africa. It showed how child trafficking was rife at the public health facility. The court ordered the convicts to be remanded at the industrial area and Langata Women's Prison, awaiting sentencing in September 26, 2023. Rose Wangwe, NTV.
A woman